Hey you, stop being addicted to adult content. Stop fapping right now. Listen to me. I give you the truly working technique to stop masturbating. I know it's hard to win an addiction, but you can do it. Following those precious advices, you surely win your addiction and change your life. Don't leave. I promise that you will gain superpowers. A new control over your mind and body. I explained to you how to quit fapping in 5 steps and all the benefits that you get from semen retention. In fact, you get a clear mind to reach your goals, a new strength and the power to attract ladies. You can finally find the true yourself. Keep listening. Number 1, fap is an addiction. Why do you feel the urge to fap at all times? It's quite simple. In the modern and lazy world, it's very easy to find yourself in front of explicit contents. Even normal social media are full of stimulating sexual contents. That brings you straight to the trap. Women show their body and act very provoking that cause in you the natural urge to do something. Once you get used to it, it became a true addiction. But unfortunately, if you keep doing all day long and all days, you will remain weak and you will obtain noting out of your life. Masturbation gives temporary dopamine. You feel good in the moment, but then you crush down. How do you feel looking those images? Do you feel the urge growing in you? It means that you are addicted to it. Don't worry, I'm here to help you to rewire your brain. Number 2, how to stop masturbating. The first moment will be the hardest, but I promise you that you can make it easier. Listen those key tricks to win step by step. The first step to stop fapping is to stay away from all temptations. Less provoking things you see, less you will be tempted. My first advice is to stop following all those girls' profiles that post a load of sexual photos. Get rid of the them now. Second advice, stop fapping in the morning before to leave the bed. If you do so, you already start the day in a weak mindset. Instead, if you don't, you will have a sharper mind to face all the challenges. During the day, keep yourself busy with interesting activities. Read, study, learn new skills. Every time that you feel the urge to fap, move away from your phone and computer. Start to do something else. Start to work on something challenging. Start to work out. Use that sexual power to train your body. Feel it into your muscles. Train as hard as you can. Once you are tired, you will get less will of fapping. It's the first step is to learn controlling your inner power. Number 3, control your mind. Unfortunately, you can't work out all the day. So once you start to control the animal urge with your body power, you also need to control your thoughts. Win your mind. Learn to meditate and leave outside all the lustful thoughts. Once you feel the urge, you immediately need to rewire your mind. Go out for a walk, go in the park and in the middle of the nature. If you can't go out, you can do it with your own mind. Play some meditational music in the background. Focus on peacefully things and visualize them. Close your eyes. Think about a relaxing environment. Visualize a waterfall. Focus on the noise of the water falling down. Hear the sound of the birds singing. Feel the breeze and the wind on your skin. Focus on your own breath and keep yourself into that safe environment. While the workout and meditation seems to be in trouble, take a cold shower to cool down. I tell you how to win step by step, but first some words about testosterone and benefits. Number 4, testosterone and fapping. Testosterone is a natural hormone that's needed to be masculine. It's needed to feel strong and powerful, to build muscles. Your testosterone level is linked to your seed level. More seed you release, lower testosterone you get. If you waste your seed, you make yourself weak and miserable. It's completely wrong and pathetic. You must learn to keep your seed with semen retention to boost your power. In nature, testosterone gives you a sharp mind and strength. Because in nature, the stronger male get the right to reproduce and get the females. More you keep it, stronger and more determined you became, like a hungry predator searching for a prey. On the other hand, while you're fap, you became like a lazy lion with the belly full of food. You became weak and afraid of girls because you have already satisfied your urge. Girls can feel your retention and they will naturally be more attracted to you because they feel that you are stronger than other boys that fap all day long. Number 5, how to actually stop fapping. Here is the key to success. Commitment must be helped with the right moves. Many other videos will tell you to stop immediately from day 0 till forever. It's not possible and is wrong. Like any other addiction, while it's strong, it needs some time and strategy. You can't stop completely in one day. You need to go by steps. Start without fapping in the morning and feel the energy during the day. Train, study, work out and meditate. The first goal is to stop masturbating for a whole day. Once you get it, aim to going for more days, like 2 or 3. Once you manage it, you will already feel the difference. And feel how good it is to have a clear and sharp mind and a plenty of energy. At that point, you can start to aim bigger for one whole week. And if you are brave, then 1 month. Beware, the complete abstinence can be good in the first period to get rid of your heavy addiction. But after a while, it may cause other problems, so it will be fine to release some semen after long periods like 1 month. You will notice that if you do only after long periods, it won't kick you down hard, as it does while you fap all day. The key is in the right balance. Let me know how much time you manage to keep it in the comments below.